I spent over 87 hours trying and testing over 15 of the biggest and most popular email marketing platforms. I'm going to tell you which ones are worth your time, which ones to completely avoid, and exactly which ones to use based on your individual needs. So whether you're an e-commerce owner, big B2B business, or content creator just getting started, I've got you covered in this video. Before we get into the picks, here is how I tested these. I went through every major feature, the email editor, landing pages, automations, segmentation, customer support, deliverability, and pricing, and scored each one out of 5 across 4 categories. You will see those scores on screen as we go. And just a quick note, all discounted links to every tool are in the description below. So make sure to take advantage of that when you're ready to move forward to the next step. Now let me start with the 2 tools I think you should completely skip because it's going to save you a lot of time, money, and headache. The first one is Mailchimp. Mailchimp used to be the go-to platform, but the pricing is now a real problem. They charge you for contacts who have already unsubscribed, people who will never see your emails again, and you're still paying for them. The free plan locks out automation completely. Their top premium plan is $350 a month for 5,000 contacts, which is fairly expensive. I gave Mailchimp a 3 out of 5 overall. You can see the breakdown on screen right now. There are better tools at every price point. The second one is Constant Contact. Same story, but this time, not even a free plan. They also charge you for contacts you have already deleted, and the platform looks old and slow. The thing that got me most is if you want to cancel, you can't do it online. You have to call them. Crazy, right? I gave them 3 out of 5 as well, so skip it. If you're just getting started on running a small business and you want a tool that does it all without the high monthly bill, Brevo is the one. I scored it 4.5 out of 5 overall and 5 for pricing, the only platform with perfect score for pricing. Brevo charges based on how many emails you send, not how many contacts you have. That changes everything. Their free plan gives you 300 emails a day, around 9,000 a month, with unlimited contacts. The starter plan is $9 a month for 5,000 email sends, still with unlimited contacts. Compare that to Mailchimp's $350 a month for their top plan, and you can see why this makes more sense for people who are building a list and not emailing every day. The platform is fast and easy to use. The automations are strong for this price point, and you get lead scoring, web behavior tracking, and the ability to test your workflows before they go live. It is also not just email. You get email, SMS, WhatsApp, push notifications, and live chat all in one platform. If you want to run campaigns on different channels without paying for 5 separate tools, this covers it. The WordPress connection works well too if you need website integration. And Brevo has a 4.3 rating on Trustpilot from nearly 7,000 reviews, which is great. Brevo's deliverability score is 74.7%, which is noticeably lower than most other tools on this list. The best ones are sitting in the low 90s. So for high volume senders, that gap matters. They only have 48 email templates, and the landing page builder feels disconnected from the rest of the platform and needs work. They also remove live chat support for more tiers. If you're a small business owner, a WordPress user, or you want multi-channel marketing at a price that makes sense, Brevo is the best pick for you. I have a full in-depth tutorial video for Brevo and all other platforms that I cover in this video, so check out the link in the description for that to get started. If ease of use is the most important thing to you, you want something that works well, does not need a manual, and feels clean from the moment you log in, MailerLite is the one. I scored it 4.5 out of 5 and 5 out of 5 for ease of use. That is the top ease of use score out of all 15 platforms. The drag and drop email editor is one of my top 2 across all 15 platforms. You can save content blocks and set your brand colors and fonts once, and they apply to all your emails automatically. The templates are beautiful and clean, but are locked behind paid plans, which is a bit annoying. But the landing page builder is where MailerLite stands out. You can host landing pages through MailerLite on your own domain or build a full website right on the platform. Very few tools offer this. You can A/B test your opt-in forms and set up an unsubscribe survey to find out why people are leaving your list. MailerLite lets you sell digital products through the platform via Stripe with 0 commissions. You can also run paid newsletters. Both are built in, so you do not need separate tools just to monetize your list. The free plan covers up to 500 subscribers with unlimited emails. The growing business plan is $39 a month for 5,000 subscribers. That's on the cheap side when compared to other tools. Deliverability is 92.7%. They have a 4.4 rating on Trustpilot from over 3,000 reviews, which is up there with the very best. No CRM features, no lead scoring, and you cannot trigger automations based on website visits. If you need complex automations or a sales pipeline, this is not the right fit. Also worth knowing, MailerLite is strict about account usage. If they flag your account for anything suspicious, like affiliate marketing for example, they can freeze it. So if that's your main model, keep that in mind before you sign up. For small businesses, bloggers, and creators who want a clean tool with good landing pages and the ability to make money from their lists, MailerLite is my first recommendation. Kit is built for one type of person, the creator who wants to build an audience and make money from it. If this is you, then this is your platform. I scored it 4 out of 5 overall as well. Kit gives you a free plan for up to 10,000 subscribers. That is by far the most generous free plan in this space. MailerLite caps at 500. Brevo limits how many emails you send. Kit lets you build a list of 10,000 people before you pay anything. For a creator just starting out, this is a big deal. The dashboard is set up around what you want to do: grow, send, earn. The earn section is what makes Kit different. You can sell digital products through the platform with 0% fees. You can run a paid newsletter and charge subscribers monthly. And here's the feature I've not found anywhere else: paid recommendations. You can earn money by recommending other creators' newsletters inside your own. They pay you a referral fee. This is a built-in revenue stream that no other tool offers. For newsletter creators focused on making money, this is the real advantage. Kit also has one of the best migration support. Their team will move your subscribers, tags, automations, and templates from your old platform for free. You can also import contacts directly from tools like ActiveCampaign and Mailchimp. The email editor works differently to what most people expect. Instead of drag and drop, you use a / command to add content. It works once you get used to it, but there is a learning curve. There is no A/B testing inside automations. The landing page builder works, but does not give you much design control. Pricing when you upgrade is on the higher side at $89 a month for 5,000 subscribers on their creator plan. Kit has a 1.7 rating on Trustpilot, but that is based on just 22 reviews, so it is not a fair picture. If you're building a newsletter, selling courses, or making money from an audience, Kit is the best tool for the job. The 10,000 subscriber free plan is a great reason to start here, and the paid recommendations feature is something you'll not find anywhere else. If you run an e-commerce store, especially on Shopify, you need a tool that was built for e-commerce, not just adapted to it. Omnisend is that tool. It has 4.7 star rating on the Shopify App Store. That is not coincidence. It does exactly what store owners need. Overall, I scored Omnisend 4.25 out of 5, which is again really high overall. The automations are the standout part. Omnisend makes it easy to set up abandoned cart sequences, order follow-up emails, cross-sell campaigns, and win-back flows. These are the automations that make money in e-commerce, and Omnisend makes them easy to build even if you're not a marketing expert. The template library has over 350 options, most of them built for product promotions. The segmentation lets you filter your list by purchase history, browsing behavior, and engagement, so you can send the right email to the right person. Support is 24/7 via live chat and email for both free and paid plans, which is very generous. The free plan gives you 250 contacts and 500 email sends a month. a decent starting point for a new store. When you scale up to 5,000 subscribers, you're looking at $81 a month on their standard plan, which is very solid for the features offered. Omnisend does not have a product landing page builder. It is built to work alongside your e-commerce platform, not replace it. So you will still use Shopify or WooCommerce for your product pages. Some users find the template customization limited, and a few direct connections are still missing, like the Google Analytics and CRM tools. If you run a Shopify store or any e-commerce operation, Omnisend is definitely the tool I would put you on. It's a no-brainer choice in my opinion. ActiveCampaign is in a different category when it comes to marketing automation. If you're running a growing service business, a SaaS product, an agency, or any operation where your marketing needs to do a lot of complex work, this is the one to look at. I scored ActiveCampaign 4 out of 5 overall, and it got a perfect 5.5 for features. This is the only 5 for features across all 15 platforms tested, so that shows how powerful ActiveCampaign really is. The automation builder has over 100 triggers and actions, a visual flowchart editor, lead scoring, website visit tracking, CRM deal pipeline management, and abandoned cart sequences, all connected in one place. There are over 100 pre-built automation templates to get you started. You can build follow-up campaigns that respond to what a contact does on your website, in your emails, and in your sales pipeline at the same time. It also has the highest deliverability score of anything I tested at 93.4%. It connects to over 1,000 integrations, including WordPress, WooCommerce, Shopify, and Salesforce. The migration support is one of the best I've ever seen. Their team will help move your contacts, forms, landing page, automations, and templates across, even on the lower plans, all for free. There is no free plan. To get the features that make ActiveCampaign worth using, you need the Pro plan at $79 a month, and for 5,000 contacts on Pro, you're paying $205 a month. That's quite steep and is not for everyone. The Trustpilot score is 2.9 out of 5, with a lot of reviews about billing issues and confusing cancellation policies. So read the terms carefully if you sign up and keep an eye on your billing. There is no weekend live chat support either. If you're running a business that needs powerful, complex automations and you're ready to invest in a platform that can grow with you, then ActiveCampaign is the right call. Nothing else I tested comes close on this. HubSpot is a different type of tool to everything else on this list. It is not just email marketing, it's a full CRM system. If you need sales pipeline, marketing automation, customer service, and email all talking to each other in one place, HubSpot is the answer. I scored HubSpot 4.5 out of 5 overall, which is one of the best from all 15 tools tested. The core of HubSpot is its CRM, which is free. On top of that, you get email marketing with a drag and drop editor, marketing automation, landing pages, a meeting scheduler, live chat, a forms builder, and an AI email writing tool, all included on the free plan. Your contacts are not just an email list. They are in the full CRM with deal stages, activity timelines, company records, and a sales pipeline. If you have a sales team and a marketing team, they both see the same view of every contact. That matters a lot when you're trying to grow. The AI writing tool saves time too. Even on the free plan, you can use it to write and rewrite email content and subject lines. Here's what you need to know before you dive in. The free plan is useful and not a bait and switch. The starter plan at $20 a month gives you more of the same. But once you need the advanced features, smart content, custom reports, A/B testing, advanced automations, predictive lead scoring, then you'll need to go on the professional plan, which starts at $890 a month. That's not a typo, $890. This is built for companies with a real marketing budget. Start on the free or starter plan. Just know what happens to the price when you need the big stuff. If you do not need the CRM side of things, you're paying for a lot you'll not use. Most of the powerful tools are behind the professional and enterprise plans. If you just need email marketing, then all previous tools I recommended will do more for you at a fraction of the cost. If you need marketing and sales in one place, or you're building towards a bigger operation, HubSpot is the right pick and the best platform to grow with. Start on the free plan, it's worth it. Just be ready for the price jump when you scale up. So now that you've decided on the best email marketing platforms for your needs, go to this video next to watch the full tutorial on your chosen platform and get started. There's no better time than now.